This soup recipe is totally kooky. I mean cukey. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Banoilovich. Today a recipe for a really lovely chilled soup. Before I begin, a reminder, please head to weekendatthecottage.com, subscribe to our website. Also look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel. And when you're there, make sure you subscribe to our channel, drop us a few comments, click for notifications, thumbs up if you like this video and others. Finally, look for us on one or more of your favorite social media platforms, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Before me, all of the ingredients you're going to need to create this really lovely chilled cucumber soup. Let me kind of walk you through the ingredients. We're gonna blend everything up and I'll show you how fantastic it looks and I'll give you a sense of how good it tastes. Principal ingredient is cucumbers. I have 2 English cucumbers trimmed off the ends into big chunks. They'll go first into our blender because heavy things go in first, it blends up best. We have 2 fresh herb complements. I have 1 cup of fresh parsley, a cup of fresh dill. They play really well off each other. Next couple of ingredients, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then 2 cups of plain yogurt. I also like adding a bit of fresh lemon juice, actually quite a bit. A 1/2 cup is the complement. This is the juice from 2 lemons, which works perfectly in the recipe. You're gonna need some salt and pepper to balance the flavor, and then these great little flavor boosters front row. How about 2 shallots, 2 cloves of garlic, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of curry. Yes, it will add a great flavor. Finally, hiding in the back row, how about some beautiful garnish, a little bit of lemon zest, and then some chopped chives. Once you've prepared all your ingredients, we're ready to make the actual soup. We're taking the canister of a blender. I add about half the amount of the cucumbers, then the rest of the ingredients. Lid goes on and I process till a pretty smooth consistency. Now I have room in the canister for the balance of the ingredients, and you're gonna puree for about 2 to 4 minutes. It has to be very smooth. Take the lid off, taste, and then we're adding a little bit of salt and pepper to flavor. Transfer to a bowl, cover, and you're gonna refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Your soup has to go to table cold. When you're ready to serve, we're placing soup plates or bowls on the work surface. 3 or 4 ladles of this very beautiful, very flavorful soup go into each bowl. We're gonna finish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped chives. How about some lemon zest, a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. These bowls are good to go. Head to table with a big smile on your face. That's the way it should be because this soup is so wonderful. Everyone's gonna compliment you. In fact, you're gonna be giving yourself a little pat on the back, just like me. After that, make sure you come on back and visit Weekend at the Cottage again. We love when you drop by for a visit. Thanks so much. Take care. We'll see you soon.